morning, everyone. My name is Hyunsuk, and I'm from Seoul, South Korea. And I'm CEO and co-founder of the MediaTek AI, and we are revolutionizing the on-device AI deployment through the rapid implementation. So basically, the MediaTek AI's vision is very clear. We'd like to bring on-device AI to the new era, and we'd like to bring AI for everyone and anytime and anywhere. So let's think about what is on-device AI, as you know already, like edge AI, on-device AI, serverless AI, in those kind of terms. So bring the on-device AI and edge AI brings AI without GPU cloud server. So by removing the GPU cloud server, we can reduce a cost a lot because every company spends a lot to maintain their AI services through the GPU cloud server. It's not only it costs a lot, it also the maintenance fee is also kind of huge burden for the companies because it's not only that expensive for establishment, but they have to maintain through the huge data center with the maintenance human resources. So by bringing the AI service without GPU cloud server, we can reduce a lot of cost for the data server, but also for the maintenance fee for the human resources and others. And plus that, there are other AI service enhancements that on-device AI brings. So first, by removing the network connection for the AI services, we can bring the AI to be secured the user's data. And we can guarantee the user's data is kept in user's devices. Plus that, it can service through the any kind of environment, even for the aircraft, submarine, even for the spacecraft. So plus that, every AI services send the user's data to the GPU cloud server, so they have network latency through the network infrastructure. But we can guarantee the real-time AI by running the AI through the user's devices. So let's think about the on-device AI, how it is consisted with. So I'd like to say there are three key elements are needed for on-device AI. The first, the powerful target device that could replace the GPU cloud server. So GPU cloud server is even though it is very expensive, people are using it because it is quite powerful to run the AI services. So we need the replacement devices to run AI through the devices around us. Second, there are the resources are limited for those kind of devices, so we need the optimization for the AI models. Plus that, we need the runtime software to run the AI model at the target devices. So let's think about the target device first. So do you know any kind of target device that is powerful, that is changing our daily lives? I'd like to say there is a MPU in our in near around us. So MPU is powerful enough than the CPU and GPU. So MPU performs up to 60 times faster than the classic CPU and GPU. And the target objective of the MPU development was reduce the energy consumption. So it reduced the energy consumption for the AI services up to 95%. So do we have to buy a new one for the MPU? I'd like to say it's not. So we already have MPU, which is AI target processor, in everyone's palm and pocket. It's inside of the smartphone. So Apple and Qualcomm and those kind of mobile chip manufacturers had released the MPU from 2017 and 2018. So from iPhone 8 and Galaxy S10, everyone has the AI processor in their palm and pocket in everywhere. So now it's 2025. Everyone in here has an AI processor in your near around you. So the key is that MPU is ready to utilize for the AI services near around us. So I'd like to say we are building the on-device AI ecosystem with utilizing those kind of MPU with the fastest on-device AI software. So first, we are utilizing the MPU to guarantee you the fastest on-device AI environment. Second, even though MPU is quite fast enough, people don't really know about how MPU can be utilized. So we are providing the fastest way to utilize the MPU all at once. Plus that, even though you know everything about on-device AI, there are like tons of tasks to implement your AI model or AI service to the on-device AI. So we cover the end-to-end comprehensive support for the on-device AI. Plus that, we cover every environment in the mobile area, not only for the like specific environment, for the like some kind of A companies like intelligence or like G companies AI. So we'd like to cover all like operating system or all environment right around us. We cover the Android, iOS, and mobile Linux and everything around us. So I would say that we guarantee the world fastest on-device AI software, and I'd like to show you that how we can guarantee that the software is fastest. So first, we get the AI model for the AI services to deploy it in the mobile environment. And second, we optimize from the like general neural network optimization. And plus that, we compile the model for the different target of the devices. So we compile the model for the like Apple and Qualcomm and MediaTek and other companies as well in the different type of the format to utilize the MPU separately. And then we run the actual benchmark through the more than 200 devices in the world to guarantee you the fastest performance. So after getting the fastest performance through the CPU and GPU and MPU, we provide you the benchmark report and we deploy the AI model with the fastest runtime, like measured fastest runtime performance. So here's how it works for the AI users. So the development, we had collected a lot about how do you think about the on-device AI for the developers. The reason why you can like see a lot of on-device AI and edge AI demos through the like demo tables and the YouTube and everywhere, but people don't really had like experience to deploy their AI services to the target devices. So the developers usually say that it is quite hard to learn what is on-device AI and how to implement it on-device AI. And even they learn about the on-device AI, they have to try how their AI model is like worked at the target devices. So we'd like to make kind of like the easiest way and fastest way to try their AI model to deploy it at the target device in very first time. So people can measure how their AI actually works at the mobile devices and the target environment. And then if they can like satisfy for the performance itself, they can just like deploy their AI models and services to the like target devices all at once. So we provide only one step for the developers to try and actually deploy the AI model to the target devices. So first, the developer upload the AI model to the like our like software dashboard. We run the model optimization and the target compilation, and then we provide the easiest way to try to measure the actual performance. We generate the QR code, and if the developer scan the QR code at their smartphone, we provide them your model is running on your environment with how like latency with the CPU and MPU, and plus while the developer is doing that, we run the actual benchmark through the like more than 200 global devices, and then we provide the benchmark report plus that we generate the runtime source code. So they can just copy and paste the runtime source code to their like Android Studio or Xcode or those kind of like runtime software project itself. So this is the actual benchmark report that we are providing for the users. So this is as you can see, the first thing we provide the benchmark report for the like CPU and MPU and every target processor's latency and accuracy as well. And then user can just like copy and paste to implement that type of the like benchmark reported like AI model at their project by just copying and pasting those kind of like generative source code. So we are providing the easiest way to implement the on-device AI for users because there is no target devices needed because everyone is already have. Plus that we generate the like runtime source code just for the copy and pasting to make the AI like project itself. So this is the result by made by the copy and pasting those kind of runtime source. So there are like device limited like AI services in the world, like Apple Intelligence or Galaxy AI. But AI developer doesn't really have to make the limitation for the devices. So by making the application by our software, we provide the easiest way to utilize all the devices all the world or around the world, not only for the Apple but Galaxy and Xiaomi and other devices all at once. Plus, let's think about the AI agent. Like AI agent is a little bit different from the like general AI model. So AI agent is like they are collecting the like people doesn't really have the AI agent model, LLM model. So open source community for the AI agent is quite open for in the Hugging Face. So we collect the AI model from the Hugging Face for the AI agent because there are tons of people who'd like to utilize AI agent at the on-device AI and edge AI environment, but they couldn't even know which model is best and how to deploy the model. So we collect the AI model from the Hugging Face, and then we do the similar benchmark for the LLM as well. First, after you submit the Hugging Face modeling to our dashboard, then you can just try your like LLM model right inside of your devices without network connection. Plus that, we provide the like neural network optimization for the 7 different type of the data type, and we provide the benchmarking report for the LLM scoring, not only for the like general knowledge, but also for the like question answering and mathematical problems all at once. And then we also provide the source code for the LLM, like the AI agent, and you can just make your own device AI agent by copying and pasting that kind of source code block. So this is the actual benchmarking report for the AI agent at the target devices. So first, we quantize the AI model for the 7 different type of the models, and we provide you the information not only for the file size and how your actual AI agent is shows the different result at the optimized version. So we are going to like expand more for those kind of like LLM scoring, not only for those kind of four different type of the like LLM scoring. We'd like to move forward for you to give the inspiration that your AI agent model or the model you'd like to use from the Hugging Face shows this kind of performance at everyone's devices around the world. So you can see that there is a like performance result is a kind of like latency for the LLM, which is TPS, token per second. It shows how your AI agent actually runs at the like target devices. So for the AI agent model, so there are like huge models as well, not only for the small size of the language model, but so we'd like to like provide everyone they can deploy AI model with this kind of performance, not only for the like runnable performance, but there are like which models cannot be runnable at the target devices. We provide that your model is like too big to run at the target devices. So we quantize and optimize those kind of AI model and provide you that if it is not runnable at the like original score, your model can be runnable at the like type of the Q2 or Q4, Q8. With like we are providing at those kind of information all at once. Yeah. So this is the actual like implementation card of the our AI on-device AI agent deployment system. So we are providing the Android source code and iOS source code. It's a little bit longer than the general AI model. It's because they are like loop is needed for the like AI agent for keep talking about the result. So you can just copy the Android application source code and iOS application source code to the like Android Studio or Xcode, and we are going to provide you the Flutter and React Native as well to support those kind of all different type of the devices all at once with unified software framework. And then you can just make the on-device AI agent through everyone's devices, not only for the Android but also for iOS, and not only for those kind of like Qualcomm and specified device manufacturer, but also for other manufacturers in the world all at once that everyone has already having devices. So here's the key of our company. So I bet you already like heard about how the companies are like providing the AI services or edge AI to you, that they are like performing, how fast it is, their chip it is, and, or how easy to deploy their service for their chip is needed to service at the edge AI. But I'd like to say those kind of environments are all separated. So hardware companies are making their own environment, but that makes a problem for AI developer or software engineers who'd like to utilize their hardware itself. So they have to focus more on AI model, but they have to study more to like deploying the AI model at the edge devices. And since the whole environment for hardware companies all separated, so they have to study more. Even they don't know how their AI model is actually performs at the target devices. So we are making a pipeline for people to utilize AI model and perform the profiling at the target devices. And plus that, from the profiling result, we are providing the easiest way to deploy the AI model with the actual runtime source code and to make the AI services. So I'd like to say there are four key steps are needed to make the AI services. So first, the one that I talked to you about at the very first time, the AI model should be optimized. So there are like tons of optimization tools from the NVIDIA and Apple and other companies who'd like to optimize the AI model. But the AI model optimization doesn't do anything but reduce the data size and everything. So it has to be deployed at the target library implementation, but it's a totally different stage. So even though they optimize the AI model and perform some kind of how their actual model is benchmarked at the target devices, they have to study more to implement it to the target devices, all different type of the manufacturers, not only for the mobile environment, but also for those kind of other companies in below us, so the Infineon and NXP, other companies, they have their own chips utilization. So they have to study how to utilize their AI hardware to deploy their AI model. So we are taking charge to deploying those kind of AI models to our company, and we provide the easiest way for AI developer to utilize the target library implementation all at once by our software SDK. And plus that, there's other thing is needed for the on-device AI actual service application implementation. So it's, those kind of benchmarking and showing off how your AI is running at the device with the simulation is not enough to make the actual software. So we are focusing more on the actual software implementation is more important from not only for the optimization, but for the actual making the AI services to innovate the world by the serverless AI. So we covers everything from AI model optimization and on-device until the on-device application implementation. So plus that, there are tons of other companies who are making the AI model optimization tool. It could be used before our software stack, so you can utilize the tools, optimization tools around the world by NVIDIA or by Qualcomm and every other company, like PyTorch and others. And then you can just use our software SDK for the for deploying your AI model at the target environment. So we started from the mobile environment is because everyone has mobile phone and smartphone, even though they don't have laptop or other AI processor. They already have mobile devices, and mobile devices are recently have the AI target processors, so it is ready to be utilized for the AI services. And then we'd like to expand more to the microcontroller units. So I'd like to say we just started to talk with a microcontroller unit company. And they have at least 40 more chips to utilize the AI things for their environment. But if you are an AI developer, you don't know which chip is best for my AI services. Which chip could be best for, because there are 40 more AI chips and they all have different specs. And you can not determine which one is best for us. But if you'd like to at least try to run your AI model, it cannot be only for the simulation, but they don't provide anything but the kind of slides to how their tops or how their chips is actually performs, but you should at least try before you buy the chip actually. So we are keep talking with them to build the benchmarking and actual deployment like services with our software SDK to make the innovation in their sales stack. So if you are a hardware company, you could utilize, you could like make an on-device AI ecosystem with us to make the to enable AI developers to use your chips as much as possible. Plus that we are keep talking with the Samsung with who is making the Exynos for the mobile environment. They'd like to make an on-device AI ecosystem, but you know, they are making hardware, but the software is a kind of like a lot far from the hardware itself. So we'd like to make a like on-device AI software ecosystem, and we'd like to connect the hardware company to us, and we are trying to build the AI through without the GPU cloud server and make the ecosystem to ride around us. So let's think about the on-device AI, how on-device AI innovate the world without the GPU cloud server. So I was saying that I'd like to bring AI to the right anywhere, anytime, and everywhere around us. So anyone around us. So let's think about the AI without the network independence functionality. So you know, recently the subways are like supporting the Wi-Fi and things, but you know, still there are like lots of the underground facilities that cannot run the like network infrastructure for the like for mobile and everything. So we are bringing AI without those kind of network connection, and not only for the underground that I said about the underwater and rural area and everywhere. Plus that, from doing the real-time AI performance, we can make the AI services like ready to use for every environment. So let's think about the medical AI. So medical AI and those kind of like vision, like medical vision things are making a kind of AI services and innovation through the like detecting some cancel and things from the medical vision, medical images. But since their like AI infrastructure for the AI services is far from the hospital, they are sending the like image process available like data, making it to the like video and send the video to the like GPU cloud server for the AI services. But what if we can guarantee them the real-time AI performance? They don't have to make the image to the video. They can just like do the like AI services for the medical data at the right inside of the surgery area, surgery room or the hospital, everywhere in the hospital. And they don't even need any kind of additional device. They can just like put some tablet or smartphone for the environment they like to do something for the AI. Plus that there are like sound classification and noise cancellation, and plus that those kind of like TTS and ASL and those kind of all AI services can be runnable without like network connection, and they perform very nice. And you know, everyone already knows that they are quite learnable right around us. Plus that, you know, since the like ChatGPT and like Cloud and everything is run in the GPU cloud server at the company side, everyone send everything for the like ChatGPT and everything, ChatGPT and those kind of AI agent, but you know, we cannot send everything for the company. So we have to secure our data for the AI things. So we, by implementing on-device AI to user devices and smartphone and everything, we can secure your data, your finance data, your like medical data, and your all kind of data is secured in your environment. It doesn't send any data to the like company side at all. So they cannot collect because your AI service is running in your environment. And plus that, we can make a kind of like personalization for the AI agent, so your like AI model is running at your environment. So we can like collect your like personal data and make your own AI personalized like assistant and everything through the like by bringing the serverless AI through the on-device AI. So it was so thanks for the attention, and I'd like to show you that we just opened this open source project as our last guys. So we are trying to make the ecosystem for the like on-device AI, and we are trying to there are like tons of things to do for the like AI implementation at the target devices. So we are making the on-device AI infrastructure for the like AI runtime. Plus that we are expanding more to the like preprocessor and post-processor for and hold together at as a package to make the AI service easiest way for the like AI developer and like in the world by making an innovation of the like software of the on-device AI. All right. So thanks for the attention, and yeah, please try. So because our software is totally free right now, and we are collecting use cases, and we are going to make the model zoo, and we are going to open it, so you can, even though you don't have the AI models and anything, you can try or you can build your AI application by our software and as a free. All right. Thank you.